What's up, everybody? This is Meech. You are tuned into On the Radar, where we cover health, fitness, and tech. This is a radar alert. Let's see what's in this box. Just came in. This looks like, well, it is. Let me stop acting like I don't know what's in the box. We have the brand new Mavic 2 drone and the extra kit. Let's see what's in the box. We're gonna get right into this. You see the new Mavic drone. It's an upgrade, obviously, from the first one. If you guys know anything about drones, I don't know a whole lot about drones. I actually did not use the first drone. I have only used one drone in the past. So this is definitely, going to be not a total introduction, but it's an introduction to a higher quality drone. So as you can see, you get the drone itself. You get the controller. If you don't know, you can, I'm going to do a review. This is just an unboxing and just to see what comes in this kit. But, you can plug your phone into it. And this comes with a ton of features. And like I said, I also got the extra bundle pack. So the Mavic 2 Pro comes with the drone itself, obviously. It comes with the remote control. It comes with an extra set of propellers. Now, I went and got the bonus kit. So it comes with 2 extra batteries. It comes with 2 extra propellers, sets of propellers. It comes with an extra set of joysticks for the controller, your various charging ports and cables, and your USBs and all your cable connections, as well as a nice travel bag. So just a quick rundown on some general specs. It has 31 minutes of flight time with each battery. It has a 44 mile per hour max speed. It is a 3-axis gimbal for the camera. It provides you with a lot of steady shots. It does time lapse. It does tracking. It does a whole lot of stuff I'll get into when I do the review. It has 8 gigabytes internal storage. It has a SD memory support of up to 128 gigabytes. Functions include active track, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos. That's it. This is what is currently on the radar. Tune in I'm going to be doing different videos about this. I'm going to be doing some flight tests. We're going to, just get into different things. So definitely stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Definitely hit the bell so you can be updated when I upload the next set of videos. And feel free to check out anything else that's on the channel. Hit the like button. Until next time, stay focused, stay fit. Please hit that like button like I said. Tune in next time to see what else pops up on the radar. Salute.